Today I'll teach you guys how we guys can upload high quality photos to Facebook. Now to upload high quality photos to Facebook, you need to have high quality camera. So let's say I'm using my iPhone's camera, whatever picture or like whichever quality the picture or like the photo, and let's say I want to upload the photo. Now in my gallery, the photo is on really high definition, but when I'm trying to upload it on Facebook, the quality gets a bit down. And the reason that happens is because you cannot do anything. Facebook has the setting inside of it which like downgrades whichever photo or video you are uploading to it. The reason it does that is because every people or everyone who's using Facebook does not have a very high speed Wi-Fi. So for those people who do not have high speed Wi-Fi, for them to see your picture easily without having to wait for a really long time, for that purpose it downgrades the picture. So I can click on the plus at the top, click on post and choose the picture I want to upload. This is going to automatically be downgraded, as I said, due to Facebook's policy. I don't know, you cannot do anything. The only thing you can do is make sure you click the photo using a very nice camera and then upload it, because if you upload a really low quality photo, Facebook is also going to make it a bit more low quality, which is going to hinder it. So the only thing you can do is click photo in a high quality and upload it. You cannot play around Facebook setting to change the upload quality. I hope you understand. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel.